afternoon, chickadees. Welcome back. So my cousin T still has my car, but she came and got me yesterday and ran me out to do some errands, which is fantastic because I didn't have a whole lot of vegetables and I miss them when they're not here. So I topped up. I have a whole bunch of fruit and veg now, which is great. And I didn't know what I wanted to have first. So what I'm going to do, I have the other half of that Asiago kale salad kit. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. I'm not using the topping or the dressings from that. I'm just using the greens in there. And then I have some cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes, some really nice looking strawberries. These were looking good yesterday. I have one pomegranate left, English cucumber, Clementine or Mandarin, and then I'm going to have a couple of mild pickled okra. Oh, and while we're here, I just put a new algae stick in for the shrimp, so they're just now kind of coming out. So they have a bit of food in their feeder, but they're being all cute. And the little, I don't know that I can focus on it, the little dots on the glass are baby snails. Okay, anyway. Yes, so that I'm going to do a salad. I'm going to use my light raspberry vinaigrette. And then when I got home yesterday, I went ahead and marinated some bottom round that Kroger had on sale. And I'm going to cook this just like steak tips in the air fryer. So I'm going to have that and a salad, and that will be lunch. This is so cool. This is a good example of cooperative ecosystems. So these little shrimp are sharing their algae wafer, but they're also cleaning the snail shell. That's kind of cool. So yes, they're all done. Now, dinner. I have the other half of that bottom round that I marinated. So I'm going to cook that. And then I have a small sweet potato and some green beans, which, by the way, horribly expensive. Whew. I was very, very shocked. It was like $4 for a little 12-ounce bag. Yeah, that's it. I just, couldn't believe it. Okay, but sweet potato, green beans, lemon herb butter, and I'm going to make a rice pilaf. This one, the Rice-A-Roni brand specifically, cooks really well in the Instant Pot. 3 minutes and it's done. So super, super easy. I'm going to do that. And then I have some of my Umami Everything Bagel Mix. So I'm going to cook. I did these in the air fryer for lunch and they turned out really well. So 7 minutes in the air fryer for the steak tips, and then I'm just going to steam the green beans and the sweet potato, and I'm going to make the rice pilaf in the Instant Pot. Alright, so I'm going to finish up the night with a fruit and yogurt bowl. I have a Yoplait peach yogurt, strawberries, blueberries, and a clementine. That will finish me out for the night. I was 77 calories over yesterday, so I am leaving those today, and that will just balance out.